Alright, this is a shorter tutorial on how to use Giftme. It's a very simple page. The first thing you need is to register at Giftme.gifts. Register a new account, username, email, password. The email is the one that you're going to use to log in and where you will get any birthday reminders. Once you have set this up, then you can go ahead and log in. Once you log in, you're going to see your dashboard. You're going to have your own personal profiles. You can have as many as you want for any audience that you want. And the share profiles, the profiles that others share with you. Remember, these profiles are not public. You only share them with whom you choose. So the only way you can see someone else's profile is because they shared it with you. It's not a public profile. So how do you create a Giftme profile? Just click on this button, new Giftme profile, click create. And that's where you create your own Giftme profile. Input your basic information, name, birthday month, birthday, and you can upload your own image or choose one of the avatar images. You need to select 1 to 3 favorite colors. This will help others give you gifts in the colors that you prefer. Now, there are some sections below this basic information section. The sections below the basic information section are completely optional. Do you want to click on the clothes I like section? If you like clothes and you like getting these as gifts, go ahead and click on it and then click the type of clothes that you like. Do you like getting shoes? Okay, you can share the size, your favorite brand, style. You do not need to fill out every single detail. Only the details that you choose to share. Or let's say you like jeans. Okay, do you have a specific brand or brands that you prefer? Do you have a specific style that you would like to share? Remember, you are sharing only what you want. If you don't want to share about you don't want to get clothes, then uncheck that section. A few of my favorite things. Here you can add up to 7 favorite things. Let's see, Harry Potter, for example. Okay, let's put that in there. What's another favorite theme? Okay, maybe I like fantasy books. Okay, we add it there. You can add up to 7. Preferred gift cards. Do you have any favorite stores? You can add them right here. Okay, up to 5. Hobbies. This one is a drop-down menu, so check any. Well, it just has options you can select, or you can go ahead and click other and type exactly what it is that you like. Accessories. Okay, rings. Do you have a size, a brand, a material, a style, or a color that you prefer? And then you can check that here. Flowers. Do you have a favorite flower? Do you have a favorite color? If not, do not check that section. And there is a no thank you section where you can list up to 5 items that you do not want. Thank you very much. And here we will include mugs. No thank you. And please, no stuffed animals, except, let's say I like squishmallows, and I'll add them to a few of my favorite things. Squishmallows. There we go. Okay, when you filled out the sections that you select that you want to share, then you can go ahead and click on Create Profile. Once you've created your profile, you're going to see it here on the dashboard. You can have as many profiles as you want. One for your family, one for your friends, one for your colleagues, one for your students. And then click on View, and that is your profile right there. You can edit it here in the purple button, and you can share with others with the pink button here. How do you share? You need to give them the code that you see, or share it with a specific username if you know the username of the person you want to share your profile with. Now, share profiles. Others can share their profiles with you. So for example, I have this profile here, and this person has his favorite colors, and okay, he doesn't have a lot of details there. Let's show you another one. Now, You can also generate gift suggestions. Click on the button that says generate new gift suggestions and you're going to get suggestions for gifts. It's going to give you a price range, where to find it, and why it would be a great gift for this person. So there you go. And if you want to add a share profile, you can click on add share profile, enter the 8-character code that your friend or the person you know gave you, and put it in here, and you can add that profile with their code. If for any reason you want to not see a profile, just click on the eye icon and then you can hide it at the very bottom. At any point, you can see on the profiles that you create, you can see who you have shared it with. If you click on share, you can see who you've shared that profile with, and at any point you can unshare that profile. You have complete control over what you share and whom you share it with. And at any point you can delete any of the profiles that you create. You can just go ahead and click delete, and that will delete that profile immediately. Okay? Have fun.